Hello everyone, welcome to the Office Excel course. In this section, I will talk about Flash Fill, which is a very powerful tool. Flash Fill in Excel can automatically determine the data that need to be entered based on the existing sample data and fill in the data quickly. There are two ways to use this tool. The first one is to press Data Flash Fill in the menu bar. Also, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+E. For example, we want to change the data in column B to the format that hides the middle four digits. At first, we need to fill in the corresponding information as sample data in the first cell. And then click Flash Fill or use the shortcut key Ctrl+E. Done. To split the data in this column, fill in the corresponding information first. Press Ctrl+E, the data will be automatically split. If you want to add a symbol to the content, fill in the corresponding information, press Ctrl+E. It is completed immediately. To simply process the mailing address after filling in the corresponding information, also use Ctrl+E. It can save a lot of time and steps. Ctrl+E can also merge information. Fill in a merged format first. Use Ctrl+E. Excel can automatically extract the corresponding information.